Your dog might be a hero, and you don't even know it yet. This golden retriever was on a peaceful walk with his owner, when he suddenly stopped and stared at the frozen lake. He refused to move. His owner thought he was acting weird, until the dog bolted toward the ice. He began barking nonstop. That's when the owner heard it, a faint cry coming from under the ice. They called emergency services. A trapped puppy had fallen through a crack and was minutes from freezing, and thanks to this dog's instinct, that little puppy survived. Animals don't need capes to be heroes. Subscribe for more real-life Heartpaws stories.